Hi, a nice good morning to all of you. Hi, my dear children. Firstly, I would like to introduce myself. I am Binu Tangachan, your physics teacher, and I would like to congratulate all the students of Vidyapith for your great sincerity towards the studies. And I would like to thank God Almighty to give me a chance to teach the brilliant students like you. In this COVID scenario, our study platform is changed from classroom to online mode or offline mode. That means we are using mobiles, computer for our study purposes. Actually, I think it is not a good way to understand a topic. I really believe that. Because to understand a topic in any subject, definitely we need a direct interaction with the student and the teacher. But what can we do? We have to pray to God to change all these situations. We can join in the classroom. We can enjoy the atmosphere of our classroom studies. Okay? So, I would like to say one thing. Please, you have to watch this video very carefully with 100% dedication. If you give your heart to this video to study the topic, then you can acquire or you will get the idea very easy. So, first thing, you have to watch this video very carefully. And second one, I am teaching you in first step. So, I don't know any one of you. So, you have to remember one thing. If you have any doubt, then please call me. I am ready to answer or ready to clear your doubts. Okay? These things I told as an introduction because it is our first class. So, with a word of prayer in our mind, we are going to start the physics portion of 10th standard. So, I welcome all of you with a great enthusiasm and with great affection and with great joy. I invite all of you to the world of physics. Okay? So, listen carefully. Physics is not a tough subject. It is an easy subject. No doubt about it. Okay? Actually, the teachers or most of the students commonly saying that this physics is royal physics. Okay, so if you are going to study this physics, then we have some royal power. Okay, then we can go to the world of physics with 100% sincerity. Okay, thank you. We can start our class. Okay, dear students, we are going to start a new chapter. Firstly, I am going to start with a simple chapter. The chapter which we can understand very easily. Chapter is easy, but in the examination point of view, we have to study this chapter very well, because in the board examination there is a chance to ask many questions from this topic. I am going with the chapter work, energy and power. One of the simple chapter in the text. Work, energy and power. In the lower classes, you already studied about this work, energy and power. Here we are going to study firstly the term work. Commonly there is a question, define work or what is work? Okay, define work or what is work? Simply we can say work means any action done by us. Work means any action, or that means if we are walking, running, writing, sleeping and importantly studying. All these actions we can say as work. Can you follow me? These are common works. Here we are studying physics, that means science. The common work and the scientific work are two different aspects. Can you follow me? The common work, that means commonly we can say if you do any action, that can be considered as work. That means if you are doing any action, running, writing, jumping, skipping, anything, any actions, that's work. But scientifically, all the common works are not work. That means if we consider a common work, there is no need to be that is a scientific work. That means all the scientific works are or all the common works are not scientific. All the common works are not scientific. Can you follow me? Suppose firstly we are going to say one thing. Suppose here look, this is the board. It is fitted on a wall. Okay. Here I am applying force on this board. Force means you know a push or a pull, anything. A push or a pull, simply we can say that work. Here a push or a pull, simply we can say that that is a force, not work, sorry. Suppose here I am pressing on this whiteboard. That means I am giving force, but the board has no displacement, or the position of the board is not changing. Can you follow me what I am saying? I am pressing on this board, or I am giving force on this board. The board or the wall has no displacement or no change in its position. Can you follow me? But actually I am doing some work. That means if we consider the common sense, I am doing some work because I am pushing here. Can you follow me? But scientifically we are not considering it as a work, because for scientific work, if we apply a force on a body, suppose we have a body, I am applying a force on this body. The symbol of force is F, you know. I am applying a force on this body. Then this body should displace or displacement. The symbol for displacement is S. The body should change its position. Suppose its present position is here, suppose A. When I apply some force, then the body becomes to this point. Suppose this is B. That means the position changed. Scientific work means if we apply a force on a body, then there should be a displacement for the body. Can you follow me? I am asking again and again, can you follow me? Because it is my first class for you. So I am asking. So again I am saying, it is the limitation of an offline class. If we are in a classroom, then I can see your face. By seeing your face, I can understand your feelings of the mind with the expressions from your face. Okay? So, I am saying that if you have any doubt, then don't hesitate to call me. You can call me. No problem. Okay? Here, work means, that means scientific work means, if we apply a force on a body, then the body should have displacement. Can you follow me? Again listen. We are applying a force on a body, then the body should displace or change its position. Can you follow me? Then we can say that there is a work or there is a scientific work. So, we are using capital letter W as the representation letter for work. Here I told, for scientific work, when we applied a force on a body, then the body should displace. That means force and displacement. That means work is depend on force and displacement. Because some time ago I told one example. I am giving or pushing on the blackboard. It has no movement. Then we can say that there is no scientific work. That means there is no work at all, because the body has no movement, or this board has not changing its position, or the ball is not changing its position. So you have to remember one thing. According to science, if there is any work, then the body should displace or body should change its position when force is applying on it. Can you follow me? Then Work means we can say that is force into displacement. Work W is equal to force into displacement. Or we can simply write W is equal to Fs. Can you follow me? W is equal to Fs. Work means force into displacement. Can you follow me? Work means it is the product of force and displacement. I am writing here W, work is equal to force into displacement. Then we have to write and we have to learn the SI unit of all the quantities. That is very important. Here we want to know the SI unit, standard unit, international system of unit of work. Here work means force into displacement. We know the unit of force, that is Newton. Into here displacement, that is meter. Can you follow me? Can you follow me? That means if we use the symbols for Newton, the symbol is capital letter N, and for meter that is small letter n. That is Newton meter. This Newton meter is called joule. Okay? Can you follow me, my dear students? This Newton meter, that is called joule. That means 1 joule means 1 Newton into 1 meter. If you use symbols, then 1 joule, capital letter J, that's equal to 1 Newton into 1 meter. Can you follow me? Okay? Can you follow me? Then the SI unit of work, we can say that joule, okay, or capital letter J. Okay? Can you follow me? I hope you understand the term. Work means, define work. Work means it is the product of force and displacement. Work means it is a product of force and displacement. Okay? Then the unit, the SI unit of work is joule. Its representation letter is capital letter J. 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton into 1 meter. Okay? Here you have to listen one more thing. Then we can conclude today's class. Here I wrote the term Newton. All the letters are small. Here meter, all the letters are small. Here joule, all the letters are small. Can you follow me? It is correct. It is correct. It is correct. Commonly some students are writing like this way. Some students are writing joule. It is absolutely wrong. Okay? Listen very carefully. It is the basic concept of physics. If you want to write the unit of any quantity completely, then always you have to use all the letters as small letters. It is wrong. And joule, capital letter J, it is correct, but small letter J is wrong. Can you follow me? And if you write Newton, that is the unit of force, then it is wrong, because here we use the capital letter N. It is wrong, but it is correct. And capital letter N, that is correct, but you have to remember the fact that it is a basic fact of physics that you have to learn. Initially, I told most of the students thinking that physics is a tough subject. I have an answer for it. It is only because of we are not understanding the fact or the basic concept. Okay? That means if you love physics, then definitely physics will also love you. Okay? So you have to make a basic thinking that physics is not a tough subject. It is royal and it is friendly to you. Okay? So you have to understand these basic concepts. We are not getting marks in the examination, so we are saying that oh, this subject is bore and tough. I am asking always that why don't you getting marks? You are making some simple errors, simple mistakes. So we can together, we can join our hands, we can make to understand the subject very clearly. Okay? Then just recall what we studied today. We studied the definition of work, equation work is equal to force into displacement and its unit joule. Then we told one important thing, that is important, we have to continue that topics in the coming classes. That means all the common works are not scientific. Scientific work means when we apply force on a body, then the body should have displacement or change its position. Okay, that's very important. Okay, dear students, please watch the video very carefully. At the end of the video, I will give my mobile number, that's also a WhatsApp number. If you have any doubt or if you need any clarity for any subject we studied today, then please don't hesitate. You can call me or you can message me. Okay? Okay? Study well. Thank you. Thank you very much. Stay home. Stay safe.